Hey, what's up, everybody? For those who know me, hello. For those who don't, my name is Nicholas. And let's see what to say. Let me briefly summarize my field experience. I will say that I truly enjoyed my last semester of field placement. I was at a youth facility working with the youth, and I had a chance to do a little bit of the therapy side, working with behavioral adolescents, anywhere from uh, mental health, trauma, PTSD, autism. It was quite enjoyable. I learned a lot. Met a lot of good therapists. Spent a lot of time with the clinical director at the facility, and she really just took the time um, to mentor me, allow me to learn, make mistakes, and get correction where correction was needed. Some of my goals, I'm still trying to define my goals. Um, Currently, I function as a youth pastor at my church, and so I'm always working with the young people. And one thing that I'm noticing is that a lot of churches, um, from what I've experienced, they don't really talk a lot about mental health. They tend to kind of shy away from it, or um, it's not really the main topic of discussion. And so, through my own experiences and just kind of working with young people and parents, I find myself in situations where I get a chance to kind of put into practice some of the things that I'm learning in this current program. And so, one thing I would like to do is to be able to give back to the families within the church community that either don't have the necessary funds or are just needing some guidance in the area of mental health. I really love mental health. It's kind of one of my passions that I felt like I kind of stumbled upon, but it's been my drive ever since, and is one of the things that kind of pushed me into pursuing this program. Opportunities and challenges that I foresee. I know part of my short-term goals is to, of course, get licensed and eventually complete those 2 years of getting those hours for becoming an LCSW. Challenges may be because I am married, I have kids, really trying to make sure that I have the family time and taking time away to um, complete all those requirements that are needed in order to be licensed. And so I think that's all that I have. I look forward to meeting everybody and being able to delve into the material and every learning opportunity that we have in class. And forgive me, my puppies are over here fighting. So, but everybody enjoy. Good seeing everybody again. Have a good day.